have one more installment. Mail Streak Mayhem here. A couple items here. Now, I said I had more of these coming, so I figured I may as well open them up here. And these are from Croatia. And they came fairly quickly. I think it took about 3 weeks. Oh my goodness. Combined shipping. Nice price too. One. I was a little concerned because Canada Post is threatening to go on strike again. And I wasn't sure these would get here in time. They got here, I think it was yesterday. And even so, today they were threatening to go on strike today, but they're not on strike, so it would have been alright, I guess. It was okay. They got here just in time anyway, regardless. So, oh, and these are great condition. These are like new. Well, there's a little bit of pitting on here, but they're very clean. I mean, they're circulated coins, 5 kuna from Croatia, and they're from 2018 and 2016, so considering that, they're in very good condition. This one looks uncirculated even. There it is. It's beautiful from 2018. Very nice quality. These are like almost uncirculated. Or it has some toning in there. I'm not sure. Maybe it's toning. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's pretty nice. That's pretty cool. Little bears. Might be adding those to my magic set. I have that option anyway. This has been waiting a while for me to open it because I wanted to film it. And I already left feedback for it. 5 stars and all of that. I don't even know if it's the right item in the box. So yeah, I'm not even sure what's in here. For sure, if it's the right thing. Let's see. I'm gonna need my scissors, I think. I keep on forgetting to bring my scissors for these things. Let's see. Maybe not. I used to work in a veterinary clinic and also had to unpack inventory. And some of the people who used those used to use, who did that job used to use stitch rippers to open packages. Tried that one day and I sliced my thigh. And I just never bothered to use scissors, or, well, sometimes maybe use scissors, but I just ended up getting used to just opening things with my hands. Even breaking down boxes for recycling and stuff like that. All the tape on them. And it helps not to have to depend on tools if you don't happen to have them handy. And also, if you need to get the tape off for recycling, anyway, oh, well packed. Paper. I should take it easy with this paper. You might want to use it for patterns. Okay, so this is, another piece in the bottom. So this is from Alibris or Alibris or Library, Alibris, or I don't know how you say it, but anyway, like, this has got a hint of library in it, which is appropriate because it's a bookstore. And they're connected to all kinds of booksellers. And so if you're looking for a book, look on Alibri. And then the bookstore will ship directly to you, but you can place your order through alibri.com. Some bookmarks. Brattle Bookshop. Is that where this came from? Might have been. Yeah, Brattle Bookshop. Okay. And it was a great price too. It's the best price on the net that I could find. Oh, packing slip too. Okay. Oh, look. Powell's Books Wholesale. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, paper too. Nicely packed. Also nicely packaged. They must have open. Oh, this paper is good too. Try not to destroy it. The Collected Almanac. Lou Gallo, Michael Gallo, David Roth. Where's Jeff Latter? Jeffrey Latter. There are a lot of magicians in here. Oh my gosh, this book is like new. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is like brand new. I wonder if it is brand new. Cheapest price on the net, and it might be brand new. And even the shipping wasn't bad. Anyhow, so this was a magician's newsletter back in the day that was shipped out several times a year, and with featuring different effects and magicians. And this is the collection of all of those newsletters. And I have also ordered online. I got them on eBay from a Canadian seller. Some individual issues. So these were this was the original. These were the original format. So newsletter, few pages, and this is the Gallo pitch, Lou Gallo, 1982, Richard Kaufman, Volume 1, Number 4, December 1982. And Richard says, I had to fight off both Michael Ammer and Gary Ouellette, who both wanted to publish this, but Lou promised it to us, and so you've got it first. Lou and his son Mike have worked out many different applications for the move. Gallo pitch. Lou and Jeff Latta. These are like new as well. 1983. It's supposed to be June, but it says ha, because I guess it was often late. And Michael Gallo from June 1984. Originally $2 in the US anyway, maybe more elsewhere. Even Genie magazine, I think, used to be $2 in the US and $3 out of the US. And it's fun to read these because even more so than the magic, because it's nice to see the various iterations of the magic, publishing the magic, because sometimes things change and you end up with a slightly different version as the magician develops it through the years. So that's interesting to see, but what I really like to see is in these is that, and that's great, but it's the little anecdotes. It's Friday. The little anecdotes and little mentions of what was going on at the time with different magicians, and that kind of thing is I mean, if you know these kind of sources, where to look, that's where you're going to find this kind of thing, that kind of information, which otherwise would been. And it's great that of course they were published back in the day, and so if you know where to look, get these little bits and pieces of information, and it's really nice. It's like a gift, because some information that you didn't have before previously, you know, you're just given this little bit of information, and even just the mention of someone who you care about, it's a gift to see that. And so I've been doing some research online and finding out where to find these, and there are more than these, but these are pretty good, pretty bountiful. I have the trapdoor. There's 2 other volumes of that, and I know that I'm missing some info. But for now, I got the one that I thought would contain the most. And Richard's Almanac, I figure I may as well get the whole thing and have a look at it. So, because it's not just the effects that I'm interested in, but also those little bits of information, and you never know where they were going to turn up. So, which newsletter they might be in. So, I think, and I got this for a great price. So, it's more magic than you ever need, but it's not just about the magic for me. It's about the real, it's about the life and history, and, you know, real people. And to me, that is the real treasure in these items. And I mean, it's wonderful to have records of the work as well, of course, and that's part of it. But there's more to it than that. There's more to it. So these are great for that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. That's the end, I think, of the Mail Streak Mayhem for now. So if you enjoy this content, if you're a magician, let me know what publications you enjoy, and which, you know, favorite magicians, favorite effects, you know, which magazines, whatever. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoy this content, please consider liking and subscribing. I really do appreciate you watching, and would love to hear from you. And whether you're a magician or otherwise, be great to hear from you. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch. Take care.